Okay, hello everybody, I'm Residentevilyoface, and today I am playing 7 Days. As you can see, this game doesn't have the best graphics, and that is exactly why I'm playing it, because apparently can't play anything good on my computer at all, so yeah. Eventually I'm going to start working, and I'll buy a new computer that's going to be way better than this one, but I haven't started working yet. I was supposed to start like 2 months back, but it just hasn't happened yet. But once I do, I will in fact get a badass computer, and things will be better. I'll be uploading a lot more better shit, and a lot more often. Okay, nothing in this bed. I'm not sleepy, I just got up. Nothing in the drawer. Okay. There are many ancient books. Cool. Let's get the fuck out of here. Okay, we got 3 doors. Locked. Locked, and not locked. Locked. What do we got in here? Whoa. What? Is that bloodstain always there? Okay. I can crouch. Can I look at this? It's just a random plant. Random bloodstain. Alright. Okay, there are many ancient books. There are many ancient books. Can't do shit with the clock, apparently. This room is... I guess it was just meant for that little thing there. Try to scare you with a bloodstain, of all things. This door is stuck. This door back here was locked, right? Yeah. The fuck is in here? I have no... I think that's something on the other side of the wall. Okay. What? That wasn't like that before. Whoa! What? What's happening? Is there something out in the hallway? Okay, I'm just gonna move on. Okay, there's a bigger hallway right there. And we found the kitchen. Nothing to do with that. Nothing to do with that. What the fuck am I looking for? Okay, 3-letter word. End, it wasn't N, that's what it was on. This might be a problem. I'll come back to this, because I have no idea what that could be. Maybe I'll find something that'll help me out with that. That door's stuck. The fuck was that? Okay, whatever. Oh! Well, something happened in here apparently. S.A. Sam. Well, I guess that's the code, Sam. What the fuck's happening now? Alright, so Sam is the code. What the fuck? It just keeps on going, it never stops. Just gonna walk away now. Thank you very much. Okay, wait, that wasn't the one. I think we have to, wait, was it? Yeah. Okay. Oh, fuck. Gotta cycle back through. There we go. Press E to open inventory. Got a library key. Okay. So it can't be a door that says this door is stuck. It has to just be a regular locked door. I'm guessing this one. What? Okay. Just gonna walk around, see if I can find anything important. Doesn't look like I'm finding anything important so far. Got some interesting sound effects. Alright, the blood trail leads to this. I found a black key in the shelf on this bookshelf. Okay. Well, what the motherfucker? Am I gonna see anything scary soon? Because all that's happening is like kind of thing like from Amnesia. My sanity's going down. What the fuck is this shit? Black key made of an... Okay, I know where that's supposed to go. Let's get the fuck out of this hallway. Annoying bullshit hallway. Guessing this goes here. Well, this room is very colorful. I like it. What the fuck am I supposed to do in here? Should I shut the door? Oh, look at that. Let me guess. White key for the white door. That room was literally just to find a key. Something appears to be blocking it on the other side. Okay. Well, how the fuck am I supposed to deal with that? Fucking shit! Oh! God damn it, dude, really? Fucking asshole, it's not time yet. Time for what? Oh, it's going black, it's going black. Did I really just wake up back in this room again? Did I pass out from being scared to death? Jesus. What? God, you fucking assholes! What? What do you want? Okay, can I open the door or am I locked in? Oh, well, that's just fucking great. This door is locked. Why is it... Oh, I lost my white key, too. Great. Apparently the thing that's trying to kill me is a fucking asshole. Well, what the fuck am I supposed to do? Crouch? Is there something under the table? Okay, is there something behind the bookshelves? This book looks strange. I'll check it out. I apparently found a book. Sam. The name Sam is spelled out on these pages. Maybe he's trying... Okay, thank you for letting me read that fast. Little key, let me guess, for this little door. No? Oh, duh, for this. Now what the fuck is this? The greatest illusion is the existence of a unique truth. Okay. Wait. This isn't... I don't think this is where this room led me to before. Locked. And I found a key. No, please. No with the loud, annoying noises. Okay. Okay, this is just a transitioning room, huh? To take me somewhere else? Okay, that clock means nothing. What now? What now? Just fuck off, please. Okay. Nothing behind there. Okay, well, what the fuck? I guess let's just head down this hallway. Okay. Holy shit. What, is there blood out there now? Okay, so apparently something got out of a cage. Guess let's follow the blood trail. And we go to the right. Well, what? I don't think this hallway was this big before. Oh, fantastic. What am I going to see when I turn around? Oh, shit! Holy shit! God damn it, dude. Okay. I wish I had a fucking face cam. I think I'm going to try to get one once I start working. I'm going to get a good camera for face cam. Because you guys just missed a good reaction to that shit. Oh, fuck's sakes. What is this? It's not time yet. Okay. I think I've already seen that one. And it goes black again. And we wake up here again. Fucking fantastic. Okay, keep the way, don't look back. Keep the way, don't look back. Alright. Something just locked or unlocked. One of the two. Hopefully it's unlock. Alright. Motherfucking cunt-ass bitch. I can't go back. I feel a strange presence behind me. Okay, keep going forward. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Holy, oh shit. Oh shit, I shouldn't have looked back. Oh god. Oh, I'm not moving. I'm not moving. It's not time. Okay, what the fuck, dude? Let me go. Okay. Hello, how are you, sir? Motherfucker. Jesus Christ, dude. Alright, another note. What does this one say? Keep the way, don't look back. Alright, I guess I shouldn't have looked back. Don't look back this time, is what it's trying to tell me. Just keep on moving forward. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, just keep on going, keep on going. Don't look back. What is this? What is that? Alright, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. Don't even look over. Just keep it going. Alright. Alright, keep it going. Just keep it going. It's making me kind of tense. Okay, oh, fuck. Shit, shit, shit. I can't go back. There we go. Alright. Can I look back now? Okay. I think we're relatively safe. Okay, hey, we found a key, and hey, another fucking sanity trip. Okay, locked. 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 Alright, let's try the key on this door. A key. Nope. Alright, that one worked. Alright, keep it going. What? Bunch of fucking assholes. Nothing, 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 nothing. Nothing. Hey, a key. Oh, Jesus Christ. Do I have a flashlight? No, I don't. Great. Everything's dark as hell. Okay, I don't think I'm supposed to be in here. God damn, everything's so dark, like I literally can't see very far in front of me at all. Alright, I'm gonna see something here in a second. It's gonna be a jump scare. I know it is. What the fuck am I gonna see? Okay. And now I'm gonna turn around, go back, and anything. It's a good time for a fucking jump scare. That was, upsetting. Alright, which one of these doors is just locked? This one? No? Well, what the fuck? Which door? Well, which door do I go in then, dude? Okay. Someone died here. Great. Oh, hello. How's it going? Oh, fuck sakes. Stop lying to yourself. You must choose where to live. So I can tell you one thing, I definitely don't want to live in this place. So let me the fuck go. Okay, alright. Can I get out of here now? Oh, God fucking shit, damn it! Okay. 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 Am I gonna be okay if I decide to read this real quick? It's not time. Okay, it's not time yet. Okay. And we wake up back here. I guess every time it does that, it's a new day. So, this is day 3 or 4, I think. I'm gonna have to do this another like 3 or 4 times. Okay, cool. Coolio. Okay then. Right off the bat with the sanity trips. This door is stuck. Well, where the fuck am I supposed to go? Can't go there. Can I go back? No, I cannot. I'm locked in. For fuck's sakes, what does that say? Does it say? Oh, run! Run! Oh, fuck! Door's locked. Okay. Keep going. This door is stuck. Let's try this. Is this where I'm supposed to go? It keeps going somewhere. Let's go in here. Oh, no, wait, go this way. Okay. Oh, for fuck's sakes. I don't have a key. Hey, look, a key. I wonder where that goes. Okay. Alright. There we go. Okay, let's go check this out. Jesus Christ with the fucking loud noises. Oh, for fuck's sakes, I didn't do that. I did not shut that. Oh, for fuck sakes. Bitch. Oh, god damn it, now it's soaked red. I don't like this anymore. Come here and look at me. No, last time I did that, you fucking killed me. And I had to start over. Bed? Click on the bed? I'm not sleepy. Yeah, I wouldn't be either in that situation. Oh, hi, how are you? What the fuck? Am I just a fucking mental patient? Is that the fucking twist of this story? What am I supposed to do? Oh, you found it. What the fuck did I find? I don't have anything in my inventory. This is the room. What room? Sam's room. Well, you must hate Sam then because he doesn't have shit in here. Pay attention. There are no boundaries. Oh shit. Only the walls that we create react. Open your eyes. What does it say? What does it say? It's not time yet. Okay. Cool. Let's fucking wake up again. Are we in a different place this time? Yeah, we're in a different place. Okay, nothing in there. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's some kind of Minecraft wood child. Doesn't that wood kind of remind you of Minecraft? The oak? Oh, look, another child. Am I gonna start getting weeping angel by these fuckers? Holy shit, I called it! Fucking called it! Oh my god. Oh fuck, I need to stop opening these doors. Oh god. Kendall, get out. Not right now, Kendall. Someone come get Kendall! Come get her out. I'll play with you later, Kendall. Not right now. I'm kind of doing something. Oh my god. Bye. Alright, sorry, my niece came in. Okay, I got a screwdriver. Hooray. Okay. Hello, kitties. Why don't you go fuck off now? Locked. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh God, another one. Oh, Jesus. What? What? What is going on now? Can I? Okay. Bye. They're just the right size to be able to follow me in here, so I don't know why they wouldn't. Okay. Dot dot dot. Oh, fuck. Oh, I don't have a screwdriver anymore. Jeez! Someone's in there. On which side of the bars is the prisoner? Yeah, I get it. I'm in your hell world. Very funny, very clever. Where the fuck am I going? Is this even going anywhere? Jesus. You can't know. Fear creates a cage. Okay. Oh, hello, little child. Oh, more children. Let me look around again. Or you can't know. Fear creates... Yeah, I already read that. Am I gonna get a note soon? Holy fucking Christ! Oh, God. Stop it! Are you guys even gonna hurt me? Jeez. What am I even doing? Oh, look. No, wait. I don't even have a screwdriver. Oh, I have a screwdriver all of a sudden? Really? Where the fuck did I get it? Fucking fuckers. Bye. Jeez. Am I almost done? I think I only have like 2 more nights left or some bullshit. What is it? What do you want now? Motherfuckers. Oh great, a pentagram. And a bunch of nooses. Fuck you, little bitches! There are 6 holes in the table. I wonder why. Yeah, I wonder why. Alright, let's go. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Hello, are you gonna end up in a noose? Yep, there you are. Just waiting for one more little kid. Huh? Alright, nothing there. There's a door. And nothing there. Alright. Can I use that? No? Let me guess. One more. What, do I gotta hang myself now? All I have is a fucking screwdriver. What else am I supposed to do? Did I miss letting one of those little fuckers out? Do I have to go back? I'm gonna be pissed if that's the case. Like, I decided not to open up one of the doors. Motherfucker. Is he even gonna let me go back? Alright, I'll be right back. Yeah, that's all of them. I opened all of them. Except for that one locked door, but I don't have a fucking key. I'm gonna go back to the bookcase and make sure there's nothing. No? No? Okay. Just gotta make sure I don't miss anything. I don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to do. Here's a chair and a little fucking desk. Little side table. Oh, there's the last kid. What's up, kid? Come on. Yeah, there you go. Follow me. Little asshole. Hey. Okay. I don't like how things have gotten like relatively calm, because it's gonna make the next jump scare even worse. Okay, there's that kid. Turn around again. It's gone, and look. Oh no, wait, still not there. Hey kid, let me just turn around real quick. Hey, it's gone. Hey, look! Hey, look what happened. I feel like I've lost something. Okay. Screwdriver it. Okay, is this door gonna be unlocked now? No. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Stick my hand into it? Oh, I guess I'm supposed to go back out. Follow the blood. Okay, what am I gonna find? Just gotta keep on going. It's probably gonna lead me to that, like, one locked door in that hallway. Never mind. Where's it going? The fuck? Alright, so I came all the way back here to pick up a heart. Very cool. Alright then, I got me a heart. Alright, let's go throw this fucker in the fire, which is what I'm guessing we're supposed to do. And I'm guessing I'll get a key, or... yeah, that's probably what's going to happen. It's going to burn the fucking heart up, and then there's going to be a key inside the heart, and blah, blah, blah. Hey! You found a key in the... or the blah, blah. This key... I didn't read fast enough. I got all jumbled up. I'm a fucking idiot. Bloody key. Alright. Don't look behind. Alright, guessing game. Let's go left. I need a screwdriver to remove this grating. Yeah, and I realize that. Fucking I don't want to look behind me. I don't want to look behind me. I don't want to look behind me. I did it anyways, but luckily there's nothing. There was nothing there. For fuck's sakes. Really? Really with this? That was a waste. Alright, I think you move a tiny bit faster in the air vents whenever you press shift. Okay. Very long vent. Alright, is there anything behind me this time? No! Jeez! Motherfucker. There are many ancient books. Okay, let me guess what this note's gonna be. It's not time yet? It's not time yet! Hey, called it! Oh shit. It's not doing the same thing it usually does. It's supposed to go black, and I'm supposed to wake up. You look confused. Yeah, kind of. What, are you just gonna kill me? That's gonna be the end of it? Do not tell anything the name Sam? Do not tell anything the name Sam. What the fuck does that mean? Stay away from what holds you back. Okay. Follow the darkness. Why? And here we go. This must be the last night. Hopefully. Because I don't know how much more of this I can handle. I mean, the last one didn't have that many jump scares, but... Oh, look, we're outside? That's new. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Alright, run! Run! Where? Where? Oh, for fuck's sakes! I guess I'm just gonna follow this pathway. Oh god, where am I going? Where am I even going? What the fuck is happening? Ah! Shit! Alright, I got past it. Keep on going. Keep on going. Okay. Am I good? Oh, a little house. Am I supposed to go inside the house? This door is stuck. Okay, I guess let's go this way. That's really loud. It's really fucking loud. I can't see the bottom. It's too dark. Jesus, that was really fucking loud. Is there anything over here? No? Okay, fuck it. The fuck is this shit? Jesus. The mind covers the truth as the light covers the shadows. Alright. I can't move. I can't move. Oh, what the fuck? What is happening? Bitch, what is happening? Jeez! God fucking damn bullshit. What the fuck is happening? Alright, if I remember correctly, there's two other ways you can go from where the well is. And there's the loud fucking noises again! Alright, here's a gate. And it's locked. Alright. Almost there, come on. Stay as far away from the well as possible, unless you want to go deaf. Okay, I don't think there's anything in here. No. And what do we got here? The gate has been busted down. There's blood everywhere. Alright, before I head in there, let me walk on around. Which is probably useless because there's probably just nothing. Hey, I'm walking faster all of a sudden. Jesus. Okay, well, I found a shovel. God damn it! Ah, those fucking loud noises. It's like, everybody obviously should know this, but a key to a good fucking jump scare is adding loud fucking noises into it. Empty. Alright, so I'm looking for a body. Nothing. What is that shit? There is nothing. Alright. Guess we're heading back. Alright, is there anything over here? Here's some graves. There's a lot of fucking graves. What is this? What a strange coin. It looks like it's been here for centuries. Alright, I guess that's what we were looking for. But I guess I'll try to dig up all these other graves anyways. Alright. Okay, let's head to that frickin' well. God damn it. Oh! I can't see the bottom, it's too dark. Strange, it seems to have not yet reached the bottom. Okay, now bunch of dark. God damn it. Oh. Now what the fuck is that noise? This thing's moving now? Okay, I'm just gonna head down this way and hopefully that one gate that was shut before will be open. Hey, look at that. What? God. Alright, what's happening? So fucking silent. Can I move? Yes? Okay. Oh, well, would you look at that? I guess we're heading down this way. What the fuck? The fuck is all this bullshit? Just a bunch of smoke clouds and dark space. The walking sound effects seem fucked up. What the fuck was that? I feel like I just walked into something. Oh, look at that, a door. This door is stuck and now it's going down. We're all going down. Do I just... What do I do here? Do I walk backwards? Okay. Ah! God, it was fucking... Oh! I fell down a hole. Now everything's black. Oh, look at that. Well, apparently I'm still falling. Okay. Oh, god damn it. God, I thought I was done with this shit. Apparently there's one more fucking night. How many nights has it been so far? I feel like it's been more than 7. Oh. Oh yeah. I got the white key back. No, please. Damn it. Alright, now I'm officially not moving. I can't move anymore. Some victims of severe trauma would retreat into a fantasy world from which they could not wake up. Okay. In this catatonic state, the mind of the victim would often try to wake them up with small details. Okay. Strange situations, words, noises, or even a video game. Alright then, apparently we are the trauma victim. To help them realize they were asleep. Alright. So are you literally the person telling me that I am asleep? This is all a dream? Even then, it would often take days until they were ready to. Alright. Please wake up. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I liked it. It could be annoying at times with all the jump scares and loud noises, but I liked it. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now because this music is loud as shit. Alright, well, thank you all so much for watching. I really enjoyed that. It's a pretty fun game. I will do something else here real soon. I'm going to try to upload more videos. So, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. See ya!